In this lesson, we're going to discuss how to select the proper cloud deployment model for your organization's needs. There are a few main deployment models that the organization can choose from when implementing cloud computing, and those are the following. We're going to think about public, private, hybrid, and community. Okay, so most companies will usually be juggling between public and private deployment models, but it's still important to understand all four deployment models and when each might be used. Public cloud deployment models are owned and operated by third-party providers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and the Google Cloud Platform. These providers offer a wide range of services and resources that can be accessed over the internet by multiple organizations. Public cloud deployments are cost-effective and easy to set up, and they offer scalability and flexibility. However, organizations must be aware of the potential security risks associated with sharing resources with other organizations. Private cloud deployment models are owned and operated by a single organization and are typically used for sensitive data and applications. Private clouds can be hosted on-premise or at third-party data centers, and they offer greater control and security than public clouds. However, private clouds can be more expensive to set up and maintain, and they may not be as scalable as public clouds. This key distinction is something to be identified to upper management when presenting your cloud deployment model proposals to them. Hybrid cloud deployment models are a combination of public and private clouds. Organizations can use public clouds for non-sensitive data and applications, and private clouds for more sensitive information and apps. Hybrid clouds offer benefits of both public and private clouds, such as scalability and security. However, they can be more complex to set up and manage. The organizations must be careful to maintain security and compliance across both public and private clouds. Community deployment clouds are similar to public clouds, but they are operated by a group of organizations that have a common interest. Community clouds can be used for shared services such as email or file storage, and they can be more cost-effective than private clouds. Typically, the members of the community have similar security requirements to their own. However, community clouds may not be as secure as private clouds. When selecting a deployment model, organizations should consider their specific needs such as scalability, security, and cost. Public clouds are best suited for organizations that need scalability and flexibility. Private clouds are best for organizations that require high security and control. Hybrid clouds are best for organizations that need balance of scalability, security, and control. And community clouds are best for organizations that have a common interest in shared services. It is important for organizations to understand that the deployment model is not a one-time decision. It can be changed as per the organization's needs. The organization's needs, goals, and requirements can change over time, so it's essential to constantly review and evaluate the deployment model to ensure it continues to meet the organization's needs. So to sum things up, deployment models are an important aspect of cloud computing, and organizations must carefully consider different options when implementing cloud computing. Deployment models have their pros and cons, and organizations should select the best deployment model to meet their specific needs and goals.